Yeah, I can list all the tricks in the routine. So from the stand, we went to sit, then we went to left paw, high five, then present your right paw, and then wave, sit up, stay in the sit up, back to the sit to the down, down to on your side to roll over, from the roll over in the down position, back to the sit position, then stand, then shuffle to her right, shuffle to her left. It's like a side step, then spin, then come to me, stop. It's different than stay. Stay is when they're already stationary. Stop is when they're walking and you want them to stop. Touch the coin, jump up into my hands, put her on one hand, then from the hand to my knee onto the skateboard, and then she does a half turn, then I roll her. She's not being credited for rolling the skateboard, that's me doing it. And then she does what they call a hippie jump, landing back on the skateboard. So that's just one trick, the jump.